Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Marie and I am back with another video today. So currently I am in Joro. I am going for my first graduation gift that I'm gifting myself, and nilioda Jumia and I'm going for it now. It's been, I don't know, a week. Nilifaa kuendea last week, but now I was busy with some things, but this is the time I'm getting to go and get my gift. So come with me. I hope you enjoy the video. Same time anaweza fungua? Sawa. So guys, we are back with my camera woman, and this is what I am gifting myself. So we are going to unbox. Yeah, I'm unboxing my gift to my oh my god. Oh wow, wow, exactly what I needed. Oh, let me just place it there. And then there is this. Sasa mbele ni wapi, nyuma ni wapi? So you're going to unpack this one. Unbox. Why am I saying unpack? My zip the same thing. Okay. Ooh. I was afraid that Jumia watapack kitu yenye nilikuwa nataka, but lucky enough I have gotten what I really needed. This something yenye nilishi kutaka, I don't know since when, and finally I have it. Thank you so much Jumia, and thank you to myself for working hard and getting myself this. Anyway, these legs. Oops. Purchase beats. David Sun. that will be the end of our vlog. I really wanted to unbox this gift of mine with you guys, and thank you so much for watching till the end. See you in the next video. Bye.